Hello students, how are you? I am Namita, your teacher of English language. In this session, let us learn to read the first and second paragraph of the unit Healthy Life. The first unit Healthy Life. If you have the textbook, please open your textbook. See the page number 2nd. You already underlined the difficult words of this unit, aren't you? Okay. Now I will display some difficult words. Okay. Please see the screen and read those words loudly after me. Okay. And write those words in your rough notebook and take these words as dictation with the help of your parents. Okay. See, the first word is everyone. Okay, everyone. Second one, strong. Third, healthy. Fourth one, varieties. Fifth one, vegetables. Sixth one, enjoyed. Seventh one, daily. Eighth one, leaping. Ninth one, healthiest. And 10th one, imagine. Once again, you read the words, okay? Everyone, strong. Please repeat me after me, okay? Please repeat those words. Healthy, varieties, vegetables, enjoyed, daily exercises, leaping, healthiest, imagine. Okay. Next words. The next paragraph, second paragraph, underline those words, okay? I will read these words. Please underline the words. Witches, furious, suggested, together, portion, desire, gathered, needed, energy, during, collection, mistake, uttering, explosion, completely, destroyed. Once again, you should say the words loudly after me, okay? Witches, furious, suggested, together, portion, desire, gathered, needed, energy, during, collection, mistake, uttering, explosion, completely, destroyed. Okay, I think now you got the idea to read these words. Okay, now let's read the first and second paragraph of the lesson Healthy Life. Okay, healthy life. Now open your textbook, see the page number, paragraph first. Many years ago, everyone was strong and healthy. They ate varieties of food and loved fruits and vegetables. They took daily exercises and enjoyed walking, running, playing, and leaping about. The earth was the healthiest place you could imagine, and it was clear that both adults and children were full of joy and were in good moods. Now, please read the underlined words once again. everyone strong, healthy, varieties, vegetables, daily exercises, then leaping, healthiest, imagine. Okay, I think these are difficult words for you. Next paragraph. Read the next paragraph. All this made one of the witches furious. She suggested that all the witches should come together to prepare a potion. One who drinks it would lose the desire to live. So that night all the witches gathered in the forest. Please underline the words, difficult words. Okay. Witches, furious, suggested, together, potion, desire, gather. Okay. Next paragraph, next page number 3rd. They all needed to put all their energy to make the potion, which would have a powerful spell on the people. During the collection of energy, one of the witches made a mistake in uttering the words. As a result, there was a big explosion. It was so big that it completely destroyed the forest. Now, please underline the difficult words. Okay. Needed energy during collection, energy uttering, completely destroyed. Okay. Next. Okay. Student, you should read the paragraph, first and second paragraph at home. Then you can read the lesson fluently. Okay, practice it. Now I will show some picture. Please name the picture. Okay. Now observe the picture and tell me what is the picture about. Okay. Are you observing the picture? Okay. What is the picture about? What you are noticing here? Yes. Can you tell me the name of the picture? Yes. Here we are observing the varieties of food. Many foods packets are available here. See, okay. We are calling it as a varieties of food. Okay. Varieties of food. Next. Okay. What is this? Okay. These are vegetables. See, here many vegetables we can see: carrot, tomato, lady's finger, cabbage, we can cauliflower. See, we can observe those vegetables in this picture. Okay. Next, what is the spelling of vegetable? Vegetables. Next, what was a woman doing? She is exercising. Okay, it is exercise. See the spelling of exercise: exercises. Okay. Now, what was this picture about? One more picture I will give. What is this? Are you thinking it is jumping? It's not jumping. It's a leaping. What do you mean by leaping? See the spelling. It is leaping. Leaping means jump to a great height from one place to another. Okay, jumping to a great height. Leaping. It's leaping. Okay. What is the picture about? See, the girl thinking, or the girl is thinking. See, the picture in her mind is in her mind. It is called imagine. Okay, she is imagining the pictures or imagining the ideas. Okay, it is imagine. When I am teaching in the class, you also get imagine. Okay, then you can understand the lesson easily. Next, see the group of people. Okay, they are looking so old, so we are calling them as adults. Okay, they are adults. See the spelling of adults. Next, what's this? Are you scared? No, I am so scared. What is this? We are calling in Kannada Bhuta, aren't you? Yes, we are calling it as a witches. See the spelling, witches. In this lesson, the witches are the main character. Okay, witches are the main character in this unit, the healthy life. See, what is this? These are potions. Potion means visha. Gottaita? Visha. Potion. See the spelling, potion. Next. What is this? See, many people were sitting together. See, they are assembled in a hall. Okay, we are calling this as gathering. See, gathering. What we are calling this? Gathering. 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 Okay. Now, what is this? See, here you can observe hand in through, and there is a energy. Okay, all human being had energy in his body. Okay, all human being has energy in their body. See, bulb has energy with its electricity. See, it is called energy. Next, what's this? What was a woman doing? Another woman irritating by her activity. What she is doing? See one more picture. What are the pictures about? Yes, it is called uttering something. Okay. Next, see the picture of destruction, destroying. Okay, here the forest is destroying. It is destroy. Okay. Here in this chapter, many words come In this chapter, these are the words come. Now you understood the meaning of those new words. Now you can easily understand the lesson while you are reading. Okay. Next, which are now recall those words. Okay. Varieties of food, portion, vegetable, gathering, exercises, energy, leaping, uttering, imagine, destroy, adults, witches. Okay. These are the words you learnt today. Okay. Thank you. Dear students, please read the lesson many times at your home. Okay? Bye. Thank you.